I'm Robert from Military Shop, and right here we have the Novritsch SSG24. It comes in a big black plastic case. And let's talk about this gun. So the body is all plastic except for the barrel, which is aluminium and with fluted cutouts. Functions are just about the same as VSR-10 snipers. So here we have safety, to the front is firing mode, here's the cocking lever, the trigger and the hop right here. The gun is not very heavy, but it isn't the lightest gun also. The body is quite thick compared to other snipers. Like right here I think the VSR-10 is twice as thin. But it feels good. It's got adjustable buttstock with a rubberized texture and the Novritsch logo on it. And adjustable with this screw. The gun is sturdy, but I can feel a little bit wobble from here. And so let's try it out. Let's see how fast it shoots and how accurate it is. Now we will chrono the SSG24 and also shoot target from 20 meters away using .46 BBs. Overall it's a solid gun, but I found one downside of it. The trigger pull, it's quite a tough one. Every time I pulled it, I saw that the gun is wiggling a bit. Maybe that is adjustable, maybe not, I don't know. But other than that, it's a great gun and I like how accurate it is. And yes, thanks for watching and see you next time.